Welcome! In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important concepts for writing clean, scalable, and professional Python code: packages. We will learn how to create and use them to better structure large projects. First, let's understand the basic building block. A module in Python is simply a single file with a .py extension that contains Python code. Think of it as a container for a set of related functions, classes, or variables that you want to keep together. Modules are great, but as your project grows, you might end up with a folder full of dozens of files. This can quickly become a mess. It's hard to find the code you're looking for, difficult to understand the project's structure, and you might even run into issues with files having similar names. This is where packages come in. A package is the next level of organization. It is essentially a directory that contains a collection of modules, along with a special file named init_py. This structure lets you group related modules under a single, unified name. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine we have a package called file_operations. Inside this directory, we have our special init file and two modules: writer.py for writing to files and reader.py for reading from them. From an outside script like main.py, we can now import these modules and use their functions in a clean, organized way. That special init_py file is crucial. First, its presence is what tells Python to treat a directory as a package. It can even be a completely empty file. Second, you can optionally put code inside it. This code will run whenever the package is imported, allowing you to set up package-level variables or even make functions from your modules directly available. There are a few ways to import from a package. You can import the full module path, which is very clear but can be wordy. Alternatively, you can import a specific function or class directly from a module. A more advanced technique involves using the init file to define a clean public API, making your package easier to use. Packages are the key to managing big applications. A very common and effective pattern is to create a source directory, often named src, and build your packages inside it. This cleanly separates your main application code from other files like tests, documentation, or project settings. You can take organization even further by nesting packages within other packages. These are known as subpackages. This allows for a deep, hierarchical structure. Just remember that every single directory, at every level, must contain its own init_py file to be recognized by Python. When modules inside a package need to import each other, you have two choices. An absolute import specifies the full path from the project's source directory. This is usually the best approach because it's unambiguous. A relative import uses dots to refer to modules in the same package or parent packages. This can be useful if you plan on renaming parts of your package later. So, to sum it all up, packages help you keep your project organized and easy to navigate. They promote code reusability, allowing you to use the same package in multiple projects. And finally, they prevent naming conflicts by creating separate namespaces, so you can have modules with the same name in different packages without any issues.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.